This is Jamie's insanely lifted Subaru Outback sedan. It gets about 6 inches of lift thanks to Subifish's custom Tacoma strut conversion lift kit. While I was here in San Francisco, we decided to meet up with Johnny, who has a nicely modified off-road built Subaru Crosstrek with method wheels, mud terrains, a stellar built front tubular bumper, and a roof rack from Front Runners. Joining us is Jamie's other friend Jolene, here to break in her Jeep. The Santa Clara region has received a ton of rain recently, and with no rain in sight for today, we decided to head towards Hollister Hills OHV Park. Fuck! You good?
Yeah, just stalled out.
Oh shit, what happened?
Probably too much water.
Woo! Damn. Well, that's why you always bring like a spare, right?
Yeah,
we were just talking about that. All right, so I guess we had a loose clip on the air box here, and so I didn't seal out all the water.
Probably close that all up.
1 hour later.
All right, guys, so we are here today at Hollister Hills OHV Park. What's going on, man?
Yo,
You ready for this?
I'm ready, bro.
Woo! Woo! Oh my God. Woo! Is that OMG Foz? Yes, it is.
And Rob. I haven't seen Rob in a long time.
Hey! How's it going?
Come on!
One eternity later.
If you could get up.
I'm getting hung up right at the crest of this little uphill.
Whoa! Yeah. Turn your wheels, passenger, and then just keep it down. You're good. Turn more, passenger. Good. Look, what a deceptive hole.
Why are we pulling it backwards? Don't you have a winch?
Actually, yeah, strap might be better for
We oughta
pulling out
just give
reverse.
him
You
a-
want to do that, Jamie?
Give him a tug. Jamie,
Okay.
take out back, because we don't know how deep it's going to get.
Yeah.
Did it stall or did you turn it off?
I turned it off.
There we go, man. It's between. Yeah. That's a locker. Yeah. You have to like loosen it. Yeah. There we go. Make sure it's tight. Let's go.
It was just down for months, and now it's going to be another fiasco.
Dang, you had it all the way in your cup holders?
That was from the splashes.
Oh.
There
I
was
was
about
like-
there was water like this high in the back of the seat.
Oh my god. Alright guys, so the ECU was basically submerged under the water when it was sitting there waiting for us to pull out the car. So we extracted out the ECU and then we kind of took it apart right now and we rinsed it off with very clean water, and right now we're trying to dry it off as much as possible and see if it will work again. So yeah, we're gonna use this ARB compressor, kind of just blow out any dust or excess water. Maybe we could air dry it by using the ARB compressor.
Yeah, hell yeah. Is it throwing water out?
Yeah.
It almost seems like there's water coming out of there. Oh no,
No.
it was blowing water from underneath the chip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, how come there's more water now? And that's probably the biggest worry, is the chips.
Don't think it'd work for this one. I think it's pretty far back.
Yeah, right.
So we dried up the ECU and we got it all plugged in. We checked the airbox. Airbox looks good. Plugging back in the battery now.
But I have
Let's go, Cherry.
lock works. The doors are open.
I hear clicking.
Got dash lights. I think we used up the rest of the luck for the day, though. So
I know, we should go home.
Well,
We'll go home now after this.
little features, tiny files.
Uber home, like I'm cool. Thank you.
Nice. Today was easily one of the most memorable moments for the books. It definitely could have been a very, very bad day, but I'm just glad Jamie's car still works. It also makes me wonder what it would have been like if I had brought my car. Would I be the one stuck? Or would the narrative of today be any different? No matter what, today taught us some valuable lessons. Shut the engine off before it stalls, and definitely before the ECU is submerged into water. Recover the vehicle. If ECU gets wet, rinse it with the clean water. Blow dry it with an air compressor, then finally let it bake in the engine bay for a good moment to dry off any residual moisture. Being stuck is definitely not fun and can be embarrassing, but Jamie requested me to share this video with the community in hopes that it could be of help to others in the future. With that said, Jamie, Johnny, and Jolene are some amazing people, and I am glad to have met them that day. It was fun, exciting, scary, yet inspiring. For sure the next time I'm up there, we'll have the Outback and we'll hit some trails together.